Okay, let's keep this short and sweet. A while back, I got a comment on one of my videos, and it was, by the way, by one of my friends. It stated that maybe I should do some easy 5-minute or 2-minute craft or something. To which I'll say, YouTube algorithm. YouTube does not support shorter videos, it needs watch time. And as a fairly new creator, I won't get any YouTube support if I post 5-minute long videos, and also my genre demands some good explanation and time. And one more important thing, I'm not and never plan to be a DIY crafts channel of sorts. I can do anything from drawing to illustration, hand lettering, card making, of course coloring, maybe watercolor, as long as it's on the paper. Stuff like quilling or clay modeling or making showpieces out of cardboards and stuff has never been my thing. And here on YouTube, you've got thousands of people showing that. But to be honest, the next part of the comment was an eye-opener. It said that people wanting to make cards, most of them don't have any idea about those crazy stuffs. That is professional supplies. And you know what? I feel you. Back in 2016 when I uploaded the first video, I wasn't much of a professional. Had very minimal supplies and I wanted to keep it confined to that. I thought I'll never buy stamps or a trimmer or whatever, and hated videos showcasing that back then. But as an artist, you gotta grow, right? You can't stop buying professional stuff just because that's what you plan on doing on your channel. As an artist, everyone grows through professional supplies, and doing that is no harm. Maybe I won't be saying this a few years back, but this is the harsh truth. But you can always take a break and go back to the basics. And I'll do this for all of you non-crafters out there just trying to create something good. Enter a series I wanted to start for a long time now. Anyone can make this. Videos under this series will feature cards that I will be making without the use of any professional supplies. You will be able to make those exact entire cards even if you have no experience in crafting or drawing in the past whatsoever. Never drawn a straight line with a pencil in your life? No problem. I got you covered with detailed tutorials and PDFs of everything. Templates. You don't need to draw anything to decorate. Think about how will I decorate my card. I'll provide you everything, the PDF, the template, the measurements, everything. And with only supplies like paper, scissors, glue, the most basic stuff you already have at your house, create cards that are professional looking, my guarantee. Of course, as an artist, I gotta grow, which definitely I will. But whether you are a non-crafter or a professional crafter, you've got a place on my channel. I'll be uploading the first video of this series very soon, so stay tuned folks. And a shout out to that comment, it gave me the idea to do this and also made me realize the reason why I started the channel in the first place. If you like this idea folks, stay tuned, and in the meantime, stay blessed, stay happy. I'll see you all in the next video.